Like I invented the question. I did not invent these questions.
No, but it was like spot on.
Like,
I
how
never
do you-
used the online.
No way.
I only used
You got to try the new version because the new version. So Jonette, you've been using MOCA for how long now?
For about 5 years.
That is awesome. How has it been for you?
Good, actually, very
And you
good.
said that
Spot on, actually.
Spot on.
This is, like I said, my most successful year.
This is your most successful year.
Yes,
That's
I actually
amazing.
just had one wrong.
That is awesome. I'm so glad that you
This
stopped
was
by.
the most spot on.
Yeah?
On all your reviews. I can refer back to the question. The question I can refer back to the answer. And it's like right there. It's like
And-
you invented
So
the
do you
question.
like I invented the question? I did not invent these questions.
No, but it was like spot on.
Like,
I
how
never
do you-
used the online.
No way.
I only used-
You got to try the new version because the
Okay.
new version, it's so cool. You
Yeah.
type in a word like nausea, all of them will just populate and you're like, oh, it's this one. And you click right into it. And you're
Okay.
just like right there so quick.
So when I do my questionnaire, it's on my laptop,
Yeah.
and then I have my phone as my Google information that I don't see, and then I have
So this
your
is
book.
what you do. Tab number 1,
Yeah.
ABP, MOCA-Peds,
Yeah.
all that stuff going on. Tab number 2 should be mine, MOCA-PBR,
Yes.
Study Guide and Test Companion, because that's where you should go
Yes,
first.
yes.
Number 3, logged in up to date. Number 4, logged in Peds in review. And then you have your hard copy over here. So you go through the question, you click over there, you type in one word, bam, it's
And
like
then it's-
right there.
Yeah.
So fast.
All
Don't
of
use your
that
phone.
will get me like within 5 minutes. the
Oh,
answer. Yeah.
easy. Yeah,
For sure.
easy.
All right.
Thank you so much for coming by. I am so excited. Thank you.
Thank you.
So-